Good evening, Professor. Yeah, so as for the given homework 5, I've created like two inputs, height and weight, and forming a rectangle to print out the rectangle lines and with characters in each line. So, yeah, print out everything, write a Python program. So, yeah, let's see. As you mentioned in the notes that don't use any loop. So I've not used any loop, but I have used in the if statement because of the value which we want to print out. We need to create the two if and else statement and used all these rules for, as you mentioned, like followed all the steps for creating my Python program. So this is my Python program which I created. uh yeah, putting the height and weight by the inputs and creating this all statement. And I've created like if else statement just to form a rectangle, print out the rectangle, and make sure the perfect value is print out, calculating the areas also. So I've used the box for creating the box right in form of the output. Okay, so let's run this program. Yeah, so I'm putting the height as a 5 and 6 as a width, so it should print out like 5 heights in a rectangle and 6 width in a rectangle. So an area should be 30. So let's see the output. Yeah, so output is height is 5 and 6 is 6 stars, and height, calculating the height into width, the area is 30. So yeah, it's my program database is right. So let's see what's the solutions given over here and what should be print out by the homework 5. So height should be 6 and width should be 15. So let's see over here how much should be the height. Let's run again. So yeah, so let's go on this one. Yeah, so height should be 6, width should be 15, and it should print out the height 6 and 15, and area would be total in 90. Let's see. Yeah, so I got the perfect answer. 6 of the height and 50 of the width. So let's see the second solution. Let's run it again from here where I'm right and wrong. Okay, so height should be 6, area, width should be 10. Sorry, width should be 10. Let's see, the 60 should be the area. Let's print out the value. So height is 6, the 6, and width is 10. So the area should be height into width 60. So I hope it's the coding are right. So I got the right values, and this is my coding. And yeah, that's it. So thank you, Professor.